N8N as an automation tool. If you want to get to this N8N, you have to go to your browser and type n8n.io. Then you will get started. From taking get started, then you have to choose the plan. For the first time you are getting it, you are going to on free period. So I have 13 days left, supposed to be 14 days, that's 2 weeks. So I have 14 days and 13 days left. So what are we going to do today? Let me give a small brief introduction on that. And N8N automation is called workflow. So whatever we are going to do here today is what is called workflow. Then you can create a form just like in Make and in other. Yes, you can create a form in Make. This one, N8N, has some similarities with Make, but they are quite what different. So here now, this is a form. You start on form. These are notes. So I started yesterday to create this form, but along the line I stopped because I got a call. So today, this is the form ID. Just like in Make, we have the form ID. Then we have, when you go to Google Sheets and all that, they have the form ID. So for basically what we are going to create today, so what I did was to click on that on form submission, because let's see, let's delete this. Let's delete this. So we're adding our step here. So you click on this thing and we say form. Look at it on form submission. We click on this. So this is where we are. Let's say, what is the title of my form? Let's say Vivian Hub. Vivian Career. Then form description. Let's say program. Training program. Program. Then so, and we are okay. So what is the form element? The form element is what is the theme that we are supposed to have in the form element, in the form. So let's say first name. Remember, first name. So what is the text input? Remember, in Airtable Make, you have, especially in Airtable, where we have the fields type. So it's going to be what? The text input. Then what will be the attribute? We are going to put the placeholder, and this placeholder means what we are going to see in exactly in that form. We say first name. I'm going to do this video half so that it can accommodate what we're supposed to do. Then we have another one again. We say surname. Surname. And the text element type is what? This, and then you add attribute. For each one you do, you put your attributes. We'll say, which is the placeholder, surname again. Then we'll click on the form element. So another label after the name. What else are we going to see? Let's say the email. So the field type should be email. Then the attributes, the placeholder we click is what? The email. Then we add another form, type of training. Type of training. Type of program. Let's say type of program. The element is test. Then the the elements is supposed to be no. Okay, type of program supposed the test input supposed to be what? A drop down, because we have we have to have options of what people actually want, and we say check VA. Check VA. We add another one. Then we say virtual assistant. I hope we know the difference between a tech VA and a virtual assistant. A tech VA is typical of what I'm doing now, building, helping organizations to build workflows or systems that work. Then we have another option, virtual assistant. We have data analysis. I'm also a data analyst. Data analysis. Then we have you. We have you. We have let's say um let's say editing, photo editing. So for the purpose of this class, let us stop here. So, and then respond when some form is what? Submitted. That is, look at it. We are said if this is a workflow, or when the last node of the workflow is executed. No. Execute when form is what? Submitted. So we are going to execute this step and see. Okay, this is what the form is all about. Can you see it? Now we can say, let's say Aka Vivian. Let's say Aka Vivian. First name, sorry. Vivian. Then Aka, my surname. Then email. Ndidi. Aka 23 at gmail.com. Then type of program. I say Tech VA. Then the form is submitted. Can you see that the node executed what? Successfully. So the node has been executed successfully. Now look at what comes here. So when a form is executed and filled, either it comes as a JSON, that's a JavaScript. JSON means JavaScript format, right? I think I wrote what JSON means. JavaScript object notation. That is what this JSON means. This is how it comes in a Java form for those who did this back end and front end words. Then when it wants to come as a table, it comes like this. Are we saying it? It comes like this. Then when it comes like this in schema, this schema will help us when we want to map. So we are going there now. So what else do we want to do? Now, on the form submission, we add another node. We click here. What do we want? we want to put what, a Google Sheet. And remember, whatever that you're doing, you are going to do what, integration. Remember, there was a time we did integration. There was a time we did integration. And what does that mean? What are we doing? We are going to append. You look at here, even in make, when you want to do an automation, you have to check what you want to do. So you can do a whole lot of here. So we want to append those information we have in the form to the Google Sheet row. So what do we do here? We come here to do what? To sign in our Google Sheet. You have to integrate it. So we sign with Google, choose an account to continue with N8N. I think let me use this, but that is not the account I used. Let's see. But you can use any of your Google account, but that is not the account I use. Okay, it was successful. Now I have integrated it. But first of all, for it to appear, we have to go to our Google Sheet. You must have opened your Google Sheet. We are coming back there. So we have first name, we have first name, right? Then we have surname, then we have email, then we have type of training, right? I need to go back here and know what I did that time. Type of program, okay? Type of program. So we have this now. This is exactly how it is in the form. So this is sheet 1, remember. So we come here and we are going to do what? We are going to map it out. Resource sheets within the document. Yeah. Then append it. What is the operation that we are doing? We remember when I chose it, I said we are going to append it and update in a new row. So we are searching. Okay. Document, choose sheet. Couldn't load. We have to okay. So we are going to take the form URL. We'll go back. Let's see. No, it's not here. Sorry, I'm coming. The form URL. We're going back. I'm coming. So we're going back to the form so that I can get the form URL, which is here. I can copy it. Copy. Then I can open it here in a browser. What happened? Okay. Yeah, for you to fill the form, you have to click on execute the file. Then we are doing another thing. Let's say Chioma, stay with me guys, we are learning this together. Chioma, then eBay, then we'll say Chioma, eBay. Let's use an email that works. Let's say the this, okay. Then the type of program, we'll say tech